Welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Champagne. Today I'm going to be doing week 3 of my cash envelope stuffing. If you're new to my channel and this is your first video, I do cash stuffing, saving challenges. I am on a journey to become debt-free, focusing on paying off my private student loan and then moving from there. If this is your first time, thank you for joining me. And please consider subscribing to my channel. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. I truly appreciate each and every one of you. So we're going to start by unstuffing and seeing what I had left over. And so I did do, or actually, let's see what we're stuffing. So we're stuffing $262. So let's just count it here. So we have 50, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, 10, 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 61, and 62. All right, so let's see what we had left over from the week. I did a lot better this week, no Girl Scout cookies, and I also used one of my gift cards. So Alicia over at Hands and Bands let me know that I could use my Baskin-Robbins gift card over at Dunkin' Donuts, which is what I did today. And so thank you so much for letting me know that. And so for gas, this week we had 10, 11. So this is going to go over to my savings challenges. And then food, we have 20 left over. Like I said, no Girl Scout cookies. And I did stick to my lunches that I brought to work this week. Beauty stays, I don't take that out. In my spending envelope, I have 10, 15, nope, let me try that again. I have 5, 10, 15, 16, and 17. I got a little bit too excited. So this week, what I had left over in my envelopes is 20, 35, 45, 46, 47, and 48. So I will put that back here. Like I said, I will put it over here. And then my change, I will take that out and put it into my change jar. So this week, gas will get its normal 50. Food will get its 25. I'm going to continue to try and not spend this as best I can, but we shall see. Beauty will be getting its 50. So now in beauty we have 50, 100, 20, 45, and 46. So 146. Spending will get its 20. There are a few things that I do want to buy. So I most likely will dip into this week. And then let's see, I know I said I was going to do it after, but let me just put it in there real quick. Sorry for the noise. Hope everybody's having a good weekend. It was rather hot around here today. We do have Santa Ana winds right now, so I believe it was like 91. I know other areas it's freezing, but in California, it doesn't get that hot too often. So, and let's see, we have 931 in there now. All right, and that is it for my cash envelopes for the week. Next, we'll be going into my more long-term envelopes. And so first is car registration, and car registration will be getting 6 today. 5 and 6. So now car registration has 100, 150, 170, 180, 190, 195, 200, 201, 2, 3, and 4. So 204. My goal for this envelope is 250. So we're well on our way there. For my license renewal for my nursing, It is getting its 5. And so now we have 50, 70, 85. This is not due until 2023, so I'm slowly just building it up. I do need to save up $225. I pretty much get my CEUs, or continuing education units, that are required through my job, but if not, I will save up a little bit more so that if I need to buy some online, I can just buy them online. My moving will be getting 50. Let's see. And I think nope. Okay, let me back up. So beauty does not get 50. So I will put that back. Beauty gets 25. So beauty should have 50, 70, 90, 110, 115, 120, 121. Okay. Now moving gets 50. So now moving will have 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 650, 701, 702. Don't ask me where these $2 come from. I don't recall, but anyways, they are there. So $702 in moving. I'm hoping to have at least $2,000 in this envelope for part of the deposit. If you weren't here in one of my last videos, California is pretty expensive, and to move into a place, you have to save for the size place that I need between $6,000 and $7,000 to cover first month's rent as well as the security deposit. So let's see. Welk fees, I do have a timeshare that is paid off, but I pay a maintenance fee every other year, and so I'm saving up at least $675, $80 for 2023 so that I can pay it instead of making the quarterly payments. So now we have 100, 200, 220, 240, 260, 280. Let's see, my P.O. box will be getting 6. So now we have 25, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, and 36 in my P.O. box. Amazon Prime is not getting anything. This one does not get anything. So I am thinking about changing this and the fun envelope. I think I'm going to put these together and actually turn this envelope into an envelope for my mom. We do go out every Saturday. I take her to the little stores that she wants to go to. I seem to come out of pocket more than her. And so I kind of take that, whatever I spend, and I take it from the money that I have in my business that I keep there for my portion of pay. So I think I'm actually going to start making an envelope for her and kind of giving myself a limit on, well, not a limit, but so I can keep better track of what I'm spending, and just so she has money if she wants to do something here and there. But for now, I'm going to keep it as is and eventually switch it over. But today, as you see, I did use this money for a baby shower for my sister-in-law, and so now we're just going to build it back up. So today family will be getting 10, so now family has 10, 15, and 20. Fun will not be getting anything, but Fun has $50 in it. Birthdays will be getting 10. So birthdays has 50, 70, 90, 100, 110, 120, 125. I'm slowly in the process of moving everything into accounts and just putting prop money in my envelope, stuffing prop money, just so I have an idea of what I have and I can see it. But I have more people coming in and out of my house, so I just don't know. I don't think it's too safe to have so much cash inside the house, and it's just easier doing prop money and just transferring all the money digitally inside my bank into my Ally account. So I am going to slowly start transitioning, so you will see different kinds of prop money or different colors. I did have some, but I was getting low, and so to be able to turn completely into prop money stuffing and everything else online, I needed to get more prop money. My cash envelopes for my weekly spending will be cash though, because I do like having the cash back so that I can save. It's easier for me to track that way, and so I don't over swipe. So birthdays, medical is not getting anything today. Thank you everybody that left comments on what a good idea or a good amount to put in here. I'm looking into my deductibles, but I am going to stick with 500 for now. I do have, I think, a little over 300. So I'm going to make my goal 500 until I figure out my deductibles. I have a couple different deductibles in different areas. So we'll see. But right now we have 100, 200, 250, 270, 290, 300, 305 in medical. Clothes, we'll be getting 10 today. So clothes now has 100, 150, 200, 210, and 220. Support small businesses, we'll be getting 5. So now we have 10, 15, and 20. Car maintenance won't be getting anything, but let's see what we have in car maintenance. We have 100, no 100. I wish we have 50, 70, 90, 110, 120, 130, 135, and 140. So you notice that the colors change. Like in these ones, I know some people get confused and they think their eyes are playing tricks on them or whatever, but these are two different prop monies, and so you'll see the color changes from real money. But just so nobody thinks I'm, or nobody thinks their eyes are playing tricks on them. I still have the money my son gave me. I'm still trying to figure out what I want to do with this. But until I figure that out, I am going to hold on to it. Now that is the last of my cash stuffing for this week. If you're interested, the way in which I break down my cash stuffing, I am more or less a month ahead in my bills. So at the beginning of the month, I fill out these envelopes with how much I'm projecting to stuff for every week. If I add more or take some away, I know the base of what I'm stuffing, and it kind of helps me keep track of what I'm taking from my business and what is coming out of my check. The way in which I break down my checks is my first check covers all of my bills for the following month. And my second check, because I'm paid bi-weekly, my second check covers my entire rent. And then I pay myself out of my business and things that I sell a certain amount, so that goes into what I'm stuffing, and it covers my investing as well as my savings challenges, my debt snowball, things like that. I will go into detail more and show how I break things down. But for now, that's it. I appreciate you joining me. If you liked what you've seen, please hit that like button. Consider subscribing. Leave me a comment down below. If you'd like to be pen pals or anything like that, or need to contact me, or would like to know anything about my envelopes, I do get a lot of inquiries about my gas envelope as well as my moving. If you're interested in that, please come hit me up on Instagram. I will have my channel link down below. And yeah, but thank you so much for stopping by. Have a wonderfully blessed day, and I will see you in my savings challenges.